The zipper snare drum. The dimensions on this drum are 6.5 by 13. It's an 8-ply Keller shell with 8-ply reinforcement rings. Standard 45-degree bearing edges. Snare beds are 16 inch deep by 3 inches wide. For hardware, it has 3.5 inch tube lugs, DW mag throw, Pure Sound Custom Pro 20-strand snares in brass, hoops, tension rods, and washers from Drum Factory Direct, and Evans drum heads. Coated reverse power center on the top, glass 300 on the bottom. The shell was stained with black leather dye, followed by 2 coats of boiled linseed oil on the exterior as well as the interior. Once that cured, I applied a coat of Renaissance wax. The zipper is nylon and it's attached with epoxy. To color it, I used Rub and Buff. Split vent snare drums are a thing. You can look it up on the internet, and the internet never lies. Instead of cutting the shell down the center and having an equally spaced gap all the way around, I decided to turn the split vent into the visual focus, make it asymmetric, and add a zipper. The zipper is nylon and the poles are glued in place to eliminate any rattling. Because of the split vent, the drum is very loud and dry. Since the air can escape quickly, it's a very quick decay, not much resonance. In order to zip close, the drum would have to collapse on itself, and we don't want a collapsing drum. Also, it's plywood, and these lugs are spanning this divide, so it can't go anywhere. You could add a fabric or a pleather or leather or whatever your little heart desires to get this to work. But remember, the zipper pulls will be free and they will rattle and make noise. You don't want noise anywhere near a microphone, be it in a live situation or a studio situation. That being said, how does it sound?